baking powder.
We need milk.
We need flour.
We need a bowl.
We need vanilla essence.
And we need Nutella.
Here we're putting the butter.
Butter and sugar.
And then Aru will be putting in the sugar. I'll put it into the cup and next we need to put inside the egg. Be careful, no shells. It's okay. So just put that over there. Put it inside here.
No.
No. Okay, fine. Next, can I do the egg?
Yeah.
My turn.
I said I want to.
No, we will do the last one together.
Okay.
Remember, Aru? Together.
Hello.
Oh. You're supposed to stop when it becomes light and fluffy. Definitely. Becomes bubbly. Just have to put inside this vanilla essence. Little bit. Okay, and now half a bowl. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's it. And guys, if you didn't know that vanilla essence might smell delicious, but when you taste it, it's actually disgusting. Disgusting. Pour inside the milk. Just since you don't have the 1/4. No. I would actually stop and stop. Yeah. Now we put it. Up a little bit more so it can be a little bit more milky. That's it. Now, when it becomes like all the plums are almost gone, then we have to stop mixing. And then after that, we have to start the dry ingredients. Okay, I think that's enough to add in the dry ingredients. First, we need flour. We need 1 and 1/2 a cup. Pour it inside, Aru. Full thing, full. Stop. It's okay. Then we flat it out and pour it inside. Since I did a little bit too much, it's okay. That can count as a half. Next, we have to put inside the salt. The salt will be 1/4 teaspoon.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next, we have to do the baking powder. How much baking powder? 1 and 1.5 tablespoon or teaspoon, Aru? Teaspoon. We have this one. Two times. 1.5. That's a half. Good. That is all. Just put it like. Now we have to mix it. Now it's my turn. No. Last time you mixed it. So now we have to pour into the dry ingredients. Come on, I'll do this part together. Careful. Okay, now it's good. Now we have to mix it. Now we have to mix it until it becomes like all of the dry ingredients have absorbed into the wet ingredients. Now we have to take all of it very hard, and see there's clumps in it, so we have to do it for a little while. We need spatula for this as well.
Spatula.
We need a spatula so then we can fold it and we'll see at the bottom if there's any flora. Again, with these beakers, so there's no clumpies in it. No, we have to put full. First, you have to focus on one. First, you have to focus on one. And then you have to fill it up. You have enough? Open this up and pour the cookies inside. So, and also wear mittens so you don't get burnt. Now we'll close it. Okay, so guys, these are the end muffins, and we have a custard. We also have a tiny little doll cupcake. You can see it. And these cupcakes we're gonna give to my sister. So, I will want to try first.